Hi there. I'm going to be showing you how to stop your hiccups instantly. So what you have to do is swallow air and keep swallowing it. Now I'll show you how exactly. So the trick to doing this is that take really small breaths. Take the first breath, swallow it. Then take one more breath and swallow it. And when you're taking more breaths, take really small breaths, because if you take huge ones, you will not be able to swallow. So yes, and try to do it the maximum number of times before leaving it. Now the ideal number which will make your hiccups stop instantly is 7 to 8 times, like swallowing the air 7 to 8 times without breathing out. So that's a little difficult. So that is why I practice it beforehand. And right now, if you have hiccups, then start doing it right now. Like just stop this video and start doing it right now. And if you are watching this just in a precaution, then start practicing this, take small breaths, because the more the number of the breath is, like your fifth and sixth breath will be much more difficult to swallow than your first and second one. So yes, you have to start practicing it, and I give you 100% guarantee that it works for me. Now since the human bodies are different, it might not work for some people, but I found this on Google, so it was for everyone, and it worked for me, and it has worked for me every single time. So I do genuinely hope for you that works for you. So please give it a thumbs up if you want such more home remedies, and I'll see you guys very soon. Happy no hiccuping. Goodbye.